Hello friends, this is Lady Flora, and it's been a while since I've made a video, but I just thought maybe I'll give this Vlogmas thing a try. So here's December 1st, day one of Vlogmas, I guess. And if you're new to this channel, I'm a working homeschooling mom of 3, and we are classical, eclectic, Charlotte Mason inspired unschoolers who love arithmetic, poetry, literature, storytelling, and self-expression of all types. And today I'm going to try and just be kind of unedited. I'm sure I will do a little bit of editing, but I'm trying to keep this video very simple. I put together a advent calendar for my kids, just kind of using things that I had already. And so today I gave them the first baggie, I guess. I'm using these like little mesh bags that I had already, and I'm putting little things inside, things to read for my 7-year-old who reads. There's Bible verses, and then anyways, you'll see. But today was really cool because the verse was about making a joyful noise, and so there were some jingle bells in the little bag for today. So that was fun. And we had piano lessons as well, but I wasn't able to film that today because my 1-year-old and my 4-year-old were very excited, and I had to take them into another room while my 7-year-old had her piano lesson. So, but maybe I'll be able to film that for you guys for another vlog. We'll see. So I thought we might do some copywork today, and I thought it'd be cool to find something in here. This is the Country Diary of an Edwardian Lady. This is where I got the inspiration for my pseudonym, and there's lots of journal entries in here. It's like a nature diary, and she's got some stuff in here for every month of the year. So I thought maybe something in here about December. This is a really, really amazing, beautiful book. So this looks really, really cool, but maybe not for a 7-year-old's copywork. And here's some journal entries. So what do you think? I think maybe we should look in here. You want to look in this book instead for some copywork? Okay. Child's Book of Poems. They have, yeah, we love the illustrations in here. So they have a little section in here of Christmas poems. Let's see if we can find them. And Man Cub is enjoying running back and forth today. It's a good time to run back and forth. Here he comes.
There is nothing behind my back, eh?
Okay, so we found the Christmas poems, and there's a lot of good ones in here. Are there any that look good to you, sweetie, that you want to use for your copywork?
Christmas in the Olden Time. Christmas in the Olden Time. Christmas in the Olden Time. That's what I said.
Okay, so this is our copywork notebook where she writes something that we've picked together, and she does as good of a job as she can with punctuation and spelling and capitalization, and she's been doing a really great job. Okay, so you're starting on your title there. Good job. It's all capitalized, isn't it there? Oh, why don't you start over?
Christmas in the Olden Time. Heap on more wood. The wind is chill, but please let us whistle at it as it will. We'll keep our Christmas merry still.
Good job. How do you feel about it?
Perfect.
You feel like you did a great job?